How to make oobleck. Equipment. You'll need 1 cup or bowl, corn flour, 1 spoon, half a cup, 1 small bowl of water, selection of food colouring. Instructions. Put the corn flour into half a cup. Use the back of a knife to level the corn flour. Add some food colouring to water. Stir the food colouring. Carefully pour the coloured water into the bowl. Mix the corn flour until mixture thickens. Oops, this is what happens when you add too much water. If it's too runny, put the mixture into another bowl and add more corn flour. Oh look, it's turned to Oobleck. Poke the Oobleck. Oh look, it's hard. Really hard.
Show me how it turns into a liquid. Oh!
Trixie, thank you.
So when you leave it still, what happens?
It just goes into liquid.
Oh, so you've got to move it quite hard and make it squeeze it? Yeah. Cool.
Thanks for watching. Please leave us a comment. Bye.